I'm back here in Vail, Colorado, working on the Tower Lodge. As you can see, all of the drywall's been hung. There is a screw code, so the amount of screws are just unbelievable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think there's supposed to be 9 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's like 9 across. So the screw codes are unbelievable. And I thought, you know what? I'm sure they're going to have good corner bead here and good drywall and everything else. But what I've been noticing is, when I had the drywall delivered, they delivered the corner bead too. And understand, this is all 5/8 fire code, and it's all the heavy 5/8 fire code. They don't have the lightweight 5/8 fire code here that we have in Chicago. I mean, we have it up north now. It's lightweight, it's 5/8, and it's rated type X. It's great drywall. So they send me out this corner bead. You see, it's just kind of like what I use, except this barely covers the 5/8 on the walls. I have to tape a lot of it. You'll see, up there in that corner, if you can see that. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. I've got to tape a lot of it because it just barely puts it on if it's off a little bit, if the corner bead's off a little bit, if there's a gap. I mean, not everything's, this is all metal stud. There's screws that hold you out. Not everything's, sometimes you have gaps, and this doesn't make it. And then I thought, well, I was short. I ordered just enough. They delivered it, and I was going to be short. So I thought I'd just run up to Home Depot and grab some, because they have my corner bead at Home Depot by us. It's much wider than this. It's called super wide tape-on corner bead. And this is the only thing I could get at Home Depot. It's really narrow on this side. It's wider on this side. So you put the piece that's cut, and I'm trying to match it to this. Wow, what a challenge to put this corner bead on. I understand what they do here, because I met with the locals here. They're the ones who hung this. The local hangers hung this. It was a company that I hired. Actually, he's coming by today to get a check for hanging this. And he was very reasonable too, guys. Let me tell you his name. Hang on, I got it right here. So if you're in Vail, Colorado, and you need to get some hangers and tapers, their tapers are phenomenal, guys, because I checked out some of their work and looked at some of their houses. It's Western Walls and Ceilings, and it's Tim O'Doul. You'll find him. You'll find him if you're in Vail looking for him. But such a challenge getting this stuff on. But now it's all on. I'm going to finish pre-filling everything. How do you like my new t-shirts? And you know, you also might want to check out these other videos that are playing right down here right now. So just click on them. All right, subscribe. Have a great day.